Bro, like what the heck just happened? So this is my Model D, specifically Model D2 Pro, and this is the wire cord, and it just tangled on it. Like what the hell? Holy crap. So I'm gonna, yeah. So this damage was already happened like months ago. Never mind. But oh my god, this cable. And I wish none of those electronics inside were broke. At least this is what I hope. And yeah, I also hope that this cleaning head module wasn't even damaged, and including this brush, because these were only distributed from 2007 until 2008. So there's only 1 month that it existed. Oh, it looks like I didn't screw in properly. Let's get a screwdriver and okay, great. Now it's tight. And now let's try to clean it. Good to go.